Classical conditioning is when a neutral stimulus is paired with a stimulus that leads to a reflexive response.
We must be stopped! Aiden, you ready for class?
Yeah. Are you going down?
Yeah. Oh, we're going to take the stairs.
The unconditioned stimulus would be Shannon being trapped in the elevator. The unconditioned response would be when Shannon was scared. The conditioned stimulus would be Shannon getting into an elevator again. And the conditioned response would be Shannon scared and having to take the stairs because of the conditioned stimulus.
Habituation is the diminishing of a physiological or emotional response to a frequently repeated stimulus.
Operant conditioning is a form of learning in which a spontaneous behavior is followed by a stimulus, the reinforcer that increases the probability that a behavior will occur again. Because Shannon studied for her test, she received a good grade. By involving the addition of a positive reinforcing stimulus following a behavior, it is more likely that Shannon will study again for her next test. This is an example of positive reinforcement.
Hi, Professor Rain.
Hi, how are you?
I was wondering how I did on my exam today.
You did absolutely excellent. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All your hard work paid off.
It definitely did.
Shannon has an A average overall in the class. This makes her exempt from taking the final. This is an example of negative reinforcement.
Hi Shannon, I called you in to meet with you today because I just wanted to let you know you are one of the few students in my class that has worked extremely hard and has gotten an A average overall. So I wanted to let you know that you are exempt from my final.
What an excellent reward.
It is.
I
Great
feel so
job.
accomplished.
Because Beatrice has not cleaned her room, she is punished by getting her TV privileges taken away. This is an example of negative punishment.
Corinne.
Good morning, sweetie pie.
Hi Mom.
Beatrice Gertrude Wolf! You did not clean your room. You are not allowed to watch the TV for a week.
No, Mom!
Because Beatrice has not cleaned her room, she is punished with 1 extra hour of chores.
Beatrice, I cannot believe you. You did not clean your room again. You have to do an extra hour of chores this week.
No.
Yes, 11 hours for you. Scrub harder!
Ivan Pavlov experimented with dogs that demonstrated specific reflexes that can be conditioned and supported, known as classical conditioning. His experiment in general was quite simple. He would ring a bell before showing then serving the food to the dogs, and they would start to salivate. This pattern continued. Pavlov was not only known for his drooling dog experiment. In 1904, he received the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for his studies in how the digestive system works.
B.F. Skinner invented the Skinner box and believed that human will was actually an illusion and any human action was the result of a consequence of the same action. He developed what is called operant conditioning. He studied rats in the first of his experiments, and later he examined this behavior patterns in pigeons using the box. The best understanding of operant conditioning is to look at the causes of an action and its consequences. Skinner was referred to as the father of operant conditioning. A behavior that is reinforced is most likely to be repeated, and a behavior that is not reinforced will die out over time.